Regardless of someone's level of experience, what are some of the best practices that allow that borrower to be seen in a better light from a lender when it comes to your opinion? What kind of things do they need to present to you? How do they need to present them to you? That even if they're not the most experienced investor, they're at least a sound business person.
The borrower-lender relationship is mostly based around two human beings talking to each other. So as a investor/borrower, just realize that on the other side of the coin, you have a lender who's a person also. If you as a borrower are forthright and you tell us about a foreclosure you had 6 years ago, you tell us about a bankruptcy you had 8 years ago, if you communicate to your lender, I 100% guarantee you they're going to want to work with you. They'll find a way to work with you. That's the key.